Welcome back. Another video on this 2003 Toyota Corolla S. We're going to go ahead and do a blower motor. As you can hear, it is squealing. So you're going to remove your glove box. Right here is your cabin air filter. Okay, you pull out that and that. And that's cool. Your blower motor is actually in here, so we need to drop that guy and that guy, and I think it's a 10 mil, and it will move this. Your resistor is right back there. You can also get to it right there, 2 Phillips screws. So we're going to remove that computer. There's 2 of these little guys. Just grab your clip puller and pull them out, and that flap flaps. Okay, pull towards you, and the computer will release from its little thing back there. And now we can get to the blower motor. Okay, so up there, it's Torx or a flathead. There's 3 of them. So we're going to go ahead and pull those 3 off and drop that out. I also vacuumed that out and pulled the cabin air filter out. Alright, so this one has an actual connector, which is what your car should have. Some jerk off cut the wires and did it the wrong way, so now I have to go get terminals. So I'm going to assume the orange is positive, and it's going to go on the one that's labeled positive, and the black is negative. If I'm wrong and we burn to the ground, well, it was nice knowing you. The proper way would be to, go get a voltmeter and check it. I don't care that much right now. And I was right, so we're going to shove that back up in there. Alright, and so it only works on high. The old blower motor was bad, and it blew that resistor out, rheostat. So I'm going to have to do that too. I just don't have one. So now we can go ahead and put this back up in there and put it back together. Sorry about that. Okay, so go ahead and get those in there, and I'm going to go ahead and tighten those down. Those guys are super easy to strip, so be careful. Now we're going to throw this up there. And there we go. Let's grab your glove box. There's your part numbers for your cabin air filter. I don't have one, so I'm going to have to go get one to replace it. So I'm going to shove this one back in there for now. Now, this is it's a soft close open thing for your glove box. Mine's not hooked up. If it is, if yours is hooked up, put it back in there. Mine's not, so I'm not worried about it. But the bottom of your glove box sits into those. And then you have a keeper there and there. And to get it out, you just pull in like that. And there you go. So there you go. I already have a video on that resistor. We've had to do it on this one once already, but I didn't realize the blower motor was bad. So yeah, go ahead and find that if you need help with that. But otherwise, I'll go ahead and put a link for a non-affiliate Amazon blower motor and rheostat in there, resistor, whatever you want to call it, in the description for you. So like, subscribe, ask us questions. Deuces.